Sounds. There were three idiots who were walking around the beach when all of a sudden a huge thunderstorm came about. They found an abandoned house and decided to take shelter over there until the storm stopped. Then they all decided to have a threesome. But all of a sudden, they heard thumping. There were footsteps. And then there was a girl moaning. And she was saying, "Oh, give me some more." And then all of a sudden, they heard the footsteps coming down the stairs. All of a sudden, the door opened, but there was nobody there. One of the idiots screamed out,
Who the fuck is that?
but nobody answered. And then all of a sudden, they heard humping. And then a scream said,
Yeah, baby, give me more.
They were scared. They didn't know what to do. But then all of a sudden, they heard the footsteps coming back down the stairs again. And then, all of a sudden, they saw a ghastly face. They all ran out into the storm.